Question, is this motorhome too big for two people? Hey, my name's John at We Buy Any Motorcaravan, and today we're going to do this little review on this big motorhome. It's the Frankia i8400 GD Platin Plus. Now bear in mind that this is a 9/10-year-old vehicle. Based on the Mercedes 3-litre engine, 180 brake horsepower, just under 9 metres in length, 2.3 metres wide, and just under 3.3 metres in height. So for something of this size, it's not massive. Finished in the silver and gold, as you notice all the way through. There's plenty of storage on the outside of this vehicle, and again there is an air of quality, but for your European trips this really is off-grid. 4 huge solar panels. It's got habitation air conditioning, it's got self-leveling, it's got a self-seeking satellite system, so this really is that home for home, but 2 people could be more. Follow me through. As I say, finished in the silver. There's plenty of storage. There's your LPG, there's your habitation door, yes, is on the offside. You've got your electric step, and you've also got a huge awning, nearly the full length of this motorhome. So imagine that all the way out, you're having a barbecue, 2 people sitting enjoying life. Massive garage at the back, and this has got a scooter rack inside it. So the previous owners used to kind of go abroad a lot and they would get their scooter out. So instead of having a tow car on the back, which is extra weight, they just have a little scooter where 2 of them could go off and have their adventures. Now you'll notice that there's a massive garage in this, and nice and easy, as you can just pop it all the way up. Okay, mind your head. The good thing about this is there's hydraulic lifters on everything, so nothing's really a chore. You're not kind of struggling to move things up and out. And a huge garage, and again the payload, over 600 kilos of your payload, so you've got plenty to go at. And that scooter rack that kind of pulls out, it's a great feature. Awning pole in the back there, as you can see, and I'll just drop this down. Again, you've got your reverse camera up at the top, you've got your stop and tail lights, and the quality of the vehicle is followed all the way through. Now again, your scooter rack, if you was getting that out of that side, nice and simple, entry out that side, perfect for what you need. Now I did mention that this is a proper off-grid machine, and just come and have a look at the electronics in this bad boy. So you've got all of your sine wave inverters, etc., your boosters, you've got everything, and you don't actually need in this to plug in at all on any campsite. You can be completely off-grid wherever you want to go. Now again, the Platin Plus by Frankia, you've just got your steel wheels on this, and look, more storage, more space, and more option to get to all your utility bits. You can even get on top, and as you just pan straight up to the top there, you have got your roof bars as well, so you can get a little bit of extra storage right on the top of that roof if you need to. And again, how much do you need for 2 people in a motorhome? Let me know what you think. So welcome to the inside of this Frankia i8400G. It's a 10-year-old motorhome, so you have to think to yourself, 10 years ago, was this kind of state of the art? And yeah, I think it was a little bit kind of niche for its market. I mean, nowadays over £200,000 for something like this with the light of luxury. But entering the kitchen space, you've got your 4-burner hob, you've got your oven, etc. Again, you have got your white sort of laminate fronted cupboards with everything that you would need. Truma air conditioning, self-leveling, it's got the lot. You've got a nice big space for your sink area, and you've got what I would say LED lighting. Now 10 years ago, LED lighting, was it around? Was it popular? I think maybe. But you've got all your pelmet lighting, you've got all your under counter lighting. So for something of this type back in this day, very, very expensive and still the height of luxury. And 10 years on, is it still luxury? Yeah, I think it is. Integrated fridge, freezer, same cupboard colour as the rest of the van, which is in the dark wood or the dark walnut as you would. And I think you'll go around this van in a moment, but it's got so much storage that this is meant for a home away from home. So we're going to talk about this area in a little while, so the toilet and the bath and the sink and the shower, etc. But come with me, just let's have a look in the bedroom area. Hiya! So this is a 2-berth. Surprisingly, I thought it was more of a 4, but you can't change the front. But this is a 2-berth. And you've got a separated area for your bedroom. You don't need to be separated if no one else is staying, but there is seating for 4 up the front, so you could have someone outside. But again, 10-year-old luxury. We're looking at 10-year-old luxury. Cabinetry, loads of storage, hanging space, lighting, air conditioning, so the Dometic habitation air conditioning up top there for your European travels when it's nice and warm. You've got all your blinds all around, and you've got some funky little storage that is underneath. So you've got your kind of concertina doors, and then you've got your pull-out rack for any clothing, etc. So really is kind of, yeah, that height of fashion 10 years ago. Again, you've got your TV and this mattress, super, super comfy from Frankia. You might see it on the video, but there's a little bit of wobble in the back end, but this has got self-leveling. So it could probably do with air ride on the back, but it has got self-leveling, so you're not going to get that wavy when you're in the bedroom late at night. Let's go round into the bathroom area. But first I want to point out a little bit of bloody useless storage. What's this?
I would say that's a good storage space.
Would you?
Yeah.
Oh, nicks and knacks. Little. I never thought about that.
Yeah, there's a lot of it there, really.
No. I've been taught something new today, people, because I thought that was useless. But because we're in the bathroom area, shampoos, conditioners, all your knickknacks and all your bits and bobs and your bottles. So, yeah. I was wrong. Bathroom area, there's not a lot you can say. I like the fact that it's separated. You've got a beautiful sink area with your cup holders. You've got your kind of, what would you say, like your movie style lighted mirror, LED lighting again. You've got a generous toilet area with lighting and everything that you would need, all signed in Frankia, so them little touches which are lovely. Again, with the shower area, you've got some really funky little clips up at the top here. So, you know, as you shower, 9 times out of 10, it seems to see your doors are all flapping about. You've got nice little chrome catches or stainless steel catches on this one. Great little feature with your drying rack. So if you've got any wetsuits or you've got anything that you want to kind of dry for the day, your towels, your t-shirts, your shirts, drip dry straight into this shower. And again, it is quite a big luxury shower, as you can see. Do apologise. But yeah, everything clips in and is all nice and safe and secure, which is great. You have got this slidey door as well, so if you want to just put yourself away for the night and just not have any interruption from a campsite anywhere, you've got the door for that extra bit of sound deadening and privacy. But all in all, a great functional and luxurious bathroom area. Cool, so super storage, and as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's that much storage in this place. This really is that motorhome that is a home away from home, so you can get all of your things in that you need for that really, really long trip. What do you think about the purple upholstery? It's different, and in 10 years ago, you know, was this the in thing? I guess it would be. Blinds, you've got the curtains to match the cushions. I would have liked to have seen some leather, but I presume you could have had that as an upgrade from Frankia. And little things like your wine glass storage and the fact that you've got a little bit of a cupboard that takes away all the electrics, so it kind of gives you that sleek look, which is great. Everything LED lit, your TV, everything that you could want for the mod cons. Again, I like the little splash of white underneath the wood that corresponds to the kitchen cabinets. So they've not just done, oh, it's full of wood. They've kind of thought about it a little bit, and yet extra storage. Again, you'll notice lots of lighting, lots of vents. So you've got your roof there, you've got one in the kitchen, you've got a little lift up roof there. So you've got lots of downlight in this to make it feel more open. Again, based on the Mercedes. So it's the 3 litre 180 brake horsepower, which really gets you from A to B nice and safely. Now this table, these seats will move around, and this table does come backwards and forwards. It doesn't drop to the floor, so I would have thought it would have dropped and you would have had some more sleeping capacity, but this just moves backwards and forwards, opens up and extends. So really you could entertain what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 8 people. If you're having people round and you met people on a campsite, great entertaining space. Come on over to ours for a barbecue. But really well thought after, and yeah, finished very well. So yeah, some really cool features up the front end here. You have got the automatic blinds. So at night, the automatic blinds come up and down. Everything else, the blinds for the side windows are all manual. Yes, for a 10-year-old vehicle, I'm going to say it again, walnut dash. Yeah, not really up to date. But what you have got is your Alpine system. So you've got Alpine system, you've got Alpine speakers. So you've got that quality of infotainment as such. And again, sat nav, etc., everything like that. What I find great on this as well is the previous owner has done the EMP hydraulic system. So what we've noticed when we're going around filming, and you might see it, it's very wavy. It's like a boat at times. So you don't really want that happening when you're trying to get a good night's sleep. So the self-leveling system is great. You'll notice the Mercedes badge here. So yeah, it's the bigger 3 litre engine. And when they've moved away from Mercedes to Fiat, etc., for the 2.3 litre engine, you're not getting that so much. You know, your gross weight on this is 5.3 tonne, and you've got a load capacity just over 610. So all in all, it comes underneath 6 tonne. But ultimately, you've got a little bit of luxury up the front end as well. You've got everything that you would need. You know, you've got your habitation your air conditioning system in the front, and it's automatic. And so for something like this now, brand shiny new, over £200,000. Again, something that's 10 years old, what price would this be now? I think it would just be under 100,000 for something that's 10 years old of this air of luxury. And remember, it's based on the Mercedes 3 litre. So you really have got a lot of motorhome for your money, perfect for them European adventures. If you've liked this video, click like, subscribe, and remember to join our network. My name's John, and it's been We Buy Any Motor Caravan.